This is how you make beef goulash. Did you know that the secret to perfect beef goulash lies in a single, often overlooked ingredient? In this video, I am going to show you the secret to a recipe for a beef goulash that's surprisingly easy to make. From choosing the perfect cut of a beef to achieving a rich and flavorful sauce, this video covers all the essential steps to create a truly traditional comfort meal. Here is how you make it. The basic and most important secret is choosing the perfect cut of beef. Cut the meat into smaller pieces. I have 500 grams of beef shank. Put the pork fat in a pot and let it heat up. When the fat is melted, fry the meat until golden brown. We always fry the beef in one layer. We put the meat in, turn it over, and take it out piece by piece. You always get the best goulash from a beef shank because it is stressed meat above the meat and contains a large number of connective tissue. If you enjoyed this video, please share and leave a comment. After browning the meat, put the diced onions in the pot. I have 400 grams. Is there an optimal ratio of meat and onion? And what is that optimal ratio? Of course it is. We will get to it in a minute. Don't worry, I have got your back. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. You need to fry the onion. You can even caramelize it. The onions need to be soft and tender. The key is stirring, low heat, and you can even baste with water. The color of the fried onions in combination with the tomato puree will determine the color of the goulash. Add 1 bay leaf. Add 1 teaspoon of cumin. Stir and continue cooking. The ratio of beef and onions that I mentioned earlier is 1/3. If I have 500 grams of meat, I use around 150 grams of onions. It is the perfect ratio. When you are happy with the browning and color of the onions, take out bay leaf. Make a space in the middle of the pot. Add the tomato paste and let it fry for 1 to 2 minutes. Then mix it all. Why do we roast tomato puree? Because it is slightly acidic and we want to neutralize that acidity. Add 2 crushed garlic cloves. Stir and let it cook for 1 minute. Add half a teaspoon of pepper. Add 2 teaspoons of sweet paprika. You can add smoked, hot, or even goulash paprika. Pepper and paprika we put last because they can burn very quickly. Quick stir and leave it for 30 seconds. Add a little water to prevent burning the spices. Add the browned meat to the pot. Stir. Cover the meat with water so that it is slightly submerged. Bring to a boil and then simmer on low heat. We will check back in an hour. Cover with lid. Check with a fork to see if the meat is already tender. Because the pieces are different sizes, check more pieces. The meat is not yet soft enough, so I let it cook for another half hour. Perfect. The meat is soft and falling apart. I sprinkled the goulash with fresh parsley and chopped red onion. Serve the goulash with dumplings, pasta or fresh bread. Bon appetit! Remember how I talked about the color of the onions and the puree? My goulash is a little red because I didn't want to caramelize the onions and I added a little more puree. We cooked the goulash for 90 minutes. To reduce the cooking time to 45 minutes, use a pressure cooker. Thank you for watching. See you next time.